we could look at another letter or a number. We could try the letter A. This could be, say, a wizard's hat. We draw another line, and then maybe a curved line like that. That's a bit like a C, isn't it? And then we can maybe draw some eyes in with our full stops. If you want to do a 2, you can start experimenting. Maybe not make it quite like a 2, but just playing around with the shapes. As you get more confident, you don't have to stick to a 6 or a 2. You can make it look the way you want it more. And then some cheeks. Usually if you want fat cheeks, you make them like that. If you want more, that's a bit of an S shape really. Sometimes that can look quite good. And then lips, you can put that little curve in like a little U there, and then that comes down like that, and another little U. Sometimes looks quite good, and then a little curve at the bottom there. And oh yes, they probably have beards, wizards, so we better put some sort of mustachio thing in, and then maybe a few lines, and then a big woolly beard. And they probably have straggly hair, a bit like me. So he's looking a bit more wizard-like. He's got a bit scary eyes, so I might just calm him down a bit. You can just make these eyes into kind of more like a little D. It makes him look a bit softer and a bit wiser. You could put some stars in. I hope you know how to draw stars better than me. With practice you can draw anything. If you find you can't draw anything, just practice it for a while. It's like when you went to school, you couldn't draw, you couldn't write, you couldn't do numbers, but you were asked to do it over and over again, and in the end you can write easily. And so it is with drawing. It's just a question of practice. I haven't drawn stars for a long while, but I think they're getting better as I go along. And then you colour in to make a bit of a stripe. So our letter A doesn't look quite so much like a letter A anymore, more like a hat. Let's make it a bit shaded under his hat. We might want an even broader rim. That's a bit of a edge to his hat, which can look quite nice. As he's quite old, we might put some wrinkles under his eyes. He's old and wise. And there we are, a little wizard.